Happy Earth Day 2021 to everyone there. We just want to say that we're very proud to be here at the service of the community, helping create natural spaces and greener spaces also, making that connection with the natural world a lot more stronger. Okay, so we're very proud to be here at the service of all of you. We have been a company that is founded on the principles of love, loving one another, and understanding that plants are a gift that we are, not just stewards of that gift, but we also are crusaders right now. With everything that's going on in the world, we have to kind of pick up that mantle and do more. We're just very proud to offer the products and services that we offer because they are good for our environment and they connect people to nature a lot more. We are here to serve you, through our living wall systems, through our plant holder designs. We appreciate you from, even if it's just a like or a share, anything that you can do to spread the word out there. It's a gift to us and we thank you for that. Thank you. Happy Earth Day.